Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And are you currently stuck with an iPhone that is currently iCloud locked? Well, this is a very common issue, especially when you buy an iPhone from the second-hand market like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or anywhere else, or even a refurbished, a retailer. Most of them, they didn't check what is after, when the person reset the phone and they pass it to you, and without signing up the iCloud account, and when you receive it, you set it up, and when you're setting up, you're faced with this, iCloud locked to previous owner issue. So most of the time you couldn't get it back because most of the time, you need to ask the original owner for their email and password, which most of them will be very reluctant to give it to you for like security reason, of course. So you're basically stuck with a phone that you cannot use at all. So what are the other solution? Well, you are in luck today, because today I have the perfect solution for you, and this has actually helped me because I was once a fallen victim of this, alright, to help me bypass that. Alright, and it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the TuneKit iPhone Unlocker. I'm using this software to unlock one of the iPhone that I bought, which is the iPhone 12 Pro, which I bought it from the second-hand marketplace, and then when I set it up, I was also faced with the same issue. I was panicking, and I came across this TuneKit iPhone Unlocker, downloaded it, gave it a try, and surprisingly, it works really well, super reliable. And afterwards, I can sign with my own Apple ID. I can set up my phone, receive constant update from Apple, and without any issues. I'm using it for over close to 3 months now, and the iPhone still works really well without any issues at all. So I'm really happy. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys, so that you guys can also solve this issue if you're facing it one that is right now. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself again and see what are the features it has, followed by a quick demonstration of the whole unlocking process, so you guys can see how easy it is just to unlock the iPhone itself. And so without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, as you guys can see right behind me, this is the software itself, and not only does include the iCloud activation lock features, but it also includes a lot of other features as well. So it's very generous of them, and the next time if your friends or family or anyone facing any other issues with the iPhone, you guys can use this software to help them out. So as you guys can see, we do have like unlock iOS screen. Alright, this is what we'll be focusing on today. Removing of iCloud activation locked. We have unlocking of screen time passcode. So if you have a screen time passcode set up, you guys can use that to remove that as well. Remove iTunes backup encryption, remove mobile device management lock, and as well as unlocking of Apple ID without a password. So yeah, it's very comprehensive. They give you every single thing you need, alright, to remove any of the issues that you have with your iPhone or you're facing with your iPhone. But today, let's just focus on the main thing, which is of removing of iCloud activation lock. So how do we do that? Well, you just need to click on iCloud activation lock, alright, and just connect your iPhone to your PC via USB cable, and after that, just follow the on-screen instructions to get your phone into recovery mode, and followed by DFU mode. And after that, the software should auto detect, and it should auto run, and just let the software do the job. And after it's done, alright, you guys can have an unlocked iPhone and can use it within 10 minutes time, which is really incredible. So right now I'm going to show you guys the full demonstration process itself, so you guys can see how easy it is, alright, just to get your iPhone unlocked in less than 10 minutes time. Okay, first step first, we will just need to click on the remove of iCloud activation lock. Just click on that, alright, and just click on start. Alright, so my phone now is it's connected to my PC, so you auto boot my phone into recovery mode, and in this I have to boot my phone back into DFU mode. So I just need to follow the on-screen instruction by holding down the power button plus the home button. Alright, depending on your phone model, it will show you the step based on the both phone model. Alright, so once I've done, alright, you should start auto jailbreaking while it auto detects your phone is in DFU mode, and this process probably take about a few minutes, alright, depending on how old or how new your phone is. Alright, and once it is done, alright, it should say jailbroken successfully, and your phone should be back into recovery mode. And from here, you just need to click on start removing, and after that, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to same get your phone into DFU mode. So once your phone is in DFU mode, it should auto detect and start the removing process itself. So you guys can see now it is removing the iCloud activation lock. So you just leave your phone there for a few minutes, and just let it do a job. And if you're seeing this, you're right on track. Alright, this journey takes a while, and after that, your phone should reboot 1 or 2 times. Alright, you should see the Apple logo, and once it's done, alright, you guys can see I can set up my iPhone without any asking me to sign in with my Apple ID or whatever. You guys can see there is no more iCloud locks. So this is how easy it is just to get the iCloud removed from this demonstration itself. Alright, so as you guys have seen from the whole demonstration process itself, everything is really easy, really smooth. You don't have to be tech savvy. Just a few simple click of a button, follow some on-screen instructions on the software itself, follow it. Alright, and after a while, alright, you have a phone that you guys can finally use and sign with your own Apple ID and start using the phone right away. So this is how easy it is, alright. And this method is so much easier compared to if you're going to like third-party unlocker. Maybe they have it out there and you probably need to travel it down, waste of petrol, waste of time, and people probably charge you 4 to 5 times the price you're getting for this software itself. So why save the hassle and get this? You can do it at comfort of your own home with a desktop, a laptop, or a MacBook, and you guys can get it unlocked comfortably without needing to travel down and throw all this and that, which is very, very annoying. So yeah, so this is one of the easiest and the quickest way to get iCloud activation lock removed from the iPhone that you are currently facing right now. So if you've seen the method and the demonstration and you want to get your iPhone unlocked quickly, you guys can check out this TuneSkit iPhone unlocker, the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go ahead and get it out right now, and you guys can start unlocking your phone right away. So you guys have seen, it's very easy, very reliable. I have personally used it, tried it, alright, and my iPhone has been working really well, no issues, doesn't get bricked, because there's a lot of software out there that actually brick your iPhone itself when trying to do this method. So if you're using probably other software, if your iPhone got bricked, there is no return, alright, there's no way you guys can do anything to save it. It's just basically a dead phone, a dead weight already. So if you guys want something that is reliable, trustable, and I have actually tried it and used it, alright, you guys can check out this TuneSkit iPhone unlocker. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out and get it right away. So yeah, that's all for the guys. If I do this video really interesting and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your iPhone model. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is jforce Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.